going deeper down the rabbit hole. So we scratched the surface of the why, talked a little bit about the how, but also why through the how. When this bond breaks out, we talked about from the why, the bond breaks, the body goes into the stress response mode, right? Because we have brain map that person is safe. And when that bond breaks, it feels like it has lost a source of safety. And so that can look like physically, like chemicals that are released from this stress response mode that the body is going in when that bond has been broken. There's an increased level of cortisol that is released in the body. And cortisol is the stress hormone. It's the hormone of stress. We also have this increased chemicals of adrenaline that are released in our body because the stress mode has been activated in our body. And so it activates that fight, flight, or freeze mode. And when we start to understand that, our body goes into stress response mode through this emotional bond being broken, you start to understand why we may have anxiety or on like panic around it. It can help you to understand the experiences of restlessness or exhaustion, which can impact you being able to sleep. You have trouble sleeping. And then it can go from like you may lose your appetite or you may overeat because you're trying to soothe that pain. And you can also feel like it explains why you can feel like just kind of wired and tired at the same time. Like you're just like on the fritz because the stress response in your nervous system has been activated. You have cortisol and adrenaline in your system. And what's happening through this stress response mode that is the body moves into, that gets activated when this emotional bond breaks, is that your body is doing this because it's bracing for threat. That bond breaks, stress response mode activated. And why it's activated is because the body sees that there's a threat and we need to brace for this threat.